It was 2:30
Too scared
a.m.
for me.
Rain tapped softly against the window. Jason was alone in his apartment, scrolling on his phone while drinking cold coffee. The room was quiet. Too quiet. Soothingly, his phone vibrated. Unknown number. He hesitated, then answered. Hello?
Hello? Hello? What? Hello? Who are you? Hello? Oh shit. Hello? What? Hello? What? Hello? Hello? Who are you? What? Oh my god. Hello?
A weak, shaking voice whispered from the other side. Please, don't open the door. Jason laughed nervously. Is this a prank? The voice continued. Slower now. I'm standing right in front of you. Jason felt a chill crawl up his spine. Where are you? Ask it. Behind the door. He walked carefully to the door and looked through the peephole. No. The hallway was empty and dark. There's nobody here, he said. Silence. Then the voice returned. Colder. Because I'm already inside. The kitchen light flickered violently. A soft dragging sound moved across the floor behind him. Jason slowly turned around. Nothing. His phone buzzed again. You can't see me, but I can see you. A handprint suddenly appeared on the window glass from the inside. Jason panicked and ran for the door. It wouldn't open. Locked. His phone rang one last time. It's too late. The lights went out. Cold air rushed through the room. Darkness swallowed everything. The next morning, neighbors broke the door open. The apartment was empty. Only a phone lay on the table. The screen showed the final call. Call from you.